Okay, so after months of controversy, the state of Texas will actually now require aborted fetuses to be cremated or buried. So, looking at this Washington Post article here, we got some quotes again, as always, quote, after months of fierce opposition from abortion rights advocates in the medical community, Texas will require fetal remains to be cremated or buried instead of disposed in sanitary landfills. So, I guess normally they would just dispose of it in landfills after going through a certain process to clean it or whatever. But this is the state of Texas, and this state of Texas has had a lot of battles and honestly this ongoing war against the ability of women to have the right to choose whatever they want to do with their own bodies. But they have often actually been shot down and struck down with the Supreme Court. So there you can look at a lot of cases being going to the Supreme Court and Supreme Court actually shutting Texas down. So basically, what the reality what this is in disguise is it's kind of more of the idea of trying to find loopholes to prevent abortion as much as possible. So, for example, what will the people do if they can't afford a if they can't afford a burial? What are they going to do? Plus, this will obviously discourage people from going to a doctor if they have a miscarriage or just going in general to get an abortion. So their number one goal is to find ways to marginalize the people who maybe don't have enough money to actually get a burial or to have it cremated. So that is a very big problem as well. And it's a goal to, kind of marginalize the people who can be taken advantage of in order to try to stop it from happening. So we got another quote here. Quote, the Health Commission has said that the rules will result in, quote, enhanced protection of the health and safety of the public. Meanwhile, reproductive rights activists say the rules are unnecessary and make it more difficult for women to get a safe, legal abortion in the state. Okay, so first of all, I mean, this is, I feel like, a very powerful quote here because they said the Health Commission has said the rules will result in, quote, enhanced protection of the health and safety of the public. But really, I have seen no concerns brought up because of what is being done to dispose of fetuses. And if this was, we'd probably see it as a problem all around the country, right? But we haven't. So I cannot distinguish any problems that there are, and apparently neither can anyone else because there fucking aren't any. So this is making just more unnecessary bullshit rules to try and discourage women from getting, doing whatever the fuck they want with their body. They want to get an abortion, they have the right to choose. They should have the right to choose. And the Supreme Court has in the previous time shot these fuckers down in Texas, so let's hope that it gets there again and they hope to get shot down again. Anyways, next quote here, last quote. Quote, others in the medical and funeral industries criticize the cost that would be associated with cremating or burying fetal remains, a process that can cost hospitals and abortion providers several thousands of dollars in each case. But department spokeswoman Carrie Williams said the cost shouldn't be a concern. So of course she would say the cost shouldn't be a concern. It's not a concern for her because she doesn't have to worry about money. She doesn't have that problem. She's not those people who are going out to get it. But anyways, the point here is that this is another unnecessary requirement and trying to discourage women from getting an abortion, and hopefully this will get shot down, like I said, in court, and let's see it happen.